Man, it's been a long time. My training has helped me for this desperate time. And I will destroy Booger Stickio, Wolf, Man, Son, Digger.
Hey! Do not insult my name! I have got it from past generations.
We'll let this fight be Ninja Conditioning! I've been trained in many ways.
I've learned the ways of the broomstick.
I've learned the ways of Netflix, instant TV.
No!
It is true. Your black, beautiful, conditioned hair cannot withstand the power of Netflix.
This is so crazy, I don't know about this. No!
You will once you die. And you will not go in the other world. You will go to Monkeyland.
No!
Monkeyland will be perfect for you. Ho, ho.
My mother would said I would go to conditioning land. No!
No, not no more. Let's go.
We'll eat. All right!
Yeah, he said, ooh, don't do that, no. Oh, sorry. Let me finish you off. This has been Ninja Conditioner. That's what you get for messing with my